Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Well, how do you grow your tomatoes in something like your 5-gallon pail, or maybe a 3-gallon pail? If you've got a container like this, and we all do, a 5-gallon pickle bucket, if you wish, that you saw at the local restaurant, make sure that you've got some drainage holes on this commercial container, but make sure you have a good soil. Put a good light peat perlite soil in there. Take your little plant, your little tomato plant, and just plant it right in the center and kind of make sure it's green side up, if you will. Old Hort joke. Make sure that your plant's going to go ahead and aim it toward the light. 3-gallon container, 5-gallon container, 10-gallon container, doesn't matter too much. Make sure that you do have drainage. Put some holes in the bottom. Take your drill and put some holes in there, or put one drain hole at least, because you've got to be able to make sure that that fluid continues to leave the container. Make sure you use a good sterile soil. And by that I mean peat, perlite, vermiculite, something that you know the container says is sterile. Don't use your backyard dirt, because you're probably going to have problems. There's nematodes, there's fungi, there's weed seeds. Invest in the good soil and you'll have better results. 3-gallon, 5-gallon container, it's easy to do. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.